Hi, one. Welcome back. I'm in the kitchen trying to put a protection layer on this windowsill right behind the sink. And I'm using a tabletop resin, they call it. And you can see that it really shines the thing up. And I'm hurrying through this video, so it doesn't take forever. But stir it for 3 minutes, let it sit for 5. And then it gets cleared up, and then you can pour it on. And I use that rubber spatula or silicone spatula to spread it all around real nice. And we'll see how it goes there. Get it in all the crevices and cracks. And I've got to go around these casings with it too, so you got to be careful not to knock the tape off and get it running everywhere and stuff. So you got to be a little careful. And then you let it sit for 5 minutes or so. And then I pull out the heat gun. It's a Wagner heat gun. And you don't want it on setting 2. You want it on setting 1. And no 2, 1, yeah. And that pulls the bubbles out just in an instant. It's pretty amazing, really. I figured you'd have to heat the stuff up and then bubbles work their way up. No, they pop immediately. And it fills in. So that's about what it is, and it comes out real nice, as you could see with that test piece I did. No sanding, nothing. Just wiped it off and put it on there. It come out great, and this is going to do the same thing. Hey, thanks a lot. Bye now.